Welcome, today in front of me Xiaomi Poco X4 Pro 5G, and I'll show you the loudest speaker level of this device. I'll do this with the help of the decibel meter, and now I'll set here the maximum mode. The maximum mode means that when the decibel meter will register the loudest volume of our speakers, this value here on the display will change. So let's start. So as can you see, our Xiaomi Poco X4 Pro reached 112.6 decibels. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.